numbers in Tongan. Noa, daha, ua, tolu, fa, lima, ano, fitu, valu, hiva, hangafulu. Well done, kids! Now can you help us count the dinosaurs in Tongan? Are you ready? Let's count together. Daha, daha. Ua, daha, ua. Tolu, daha, ua, tolu. Fa, daha, ua, tolu, fa. Lima, daha, ua, tolu, fa, lima. Ono, daha, ua, tolu, fa, lima, ono. Fitu, daha, ua, tolu, fa, lima, ono, itu. Valu, daha, ua, tolu, fa, lima, ono, fitu, valu. Hiva, daha, ua, tolu, fa, lima, ono, fitu, valu, hiva. Hangafulu, daha, ua, tolu, fa, lima, ono, fitu, valu, hiva, hangafulu. That was great counting in Tongan, kids. Now let's count together one last time. Are you ready?